Why is my ring on fire? What are you doing? Is this how jewelry is repaired? Let's find out. This person came in and they needed their ring sized. So they need to go up to an 8. It's at a 7 right now. They also had some prongs that were really worn on this ring, so we need to retip it also. You know, there's some surprises behind the bench in the jewelry industry that most customers don't know. One is yes, your ring will be on fire, but don't worry, it's okay. All rings are started on fire when it comes to repair work. And then I dropped something. I dropped a piece of gold that I was going to use for sizing this ring, and I crawled all over the place looking for it, and I can't find the darn thing. Come on. Oh, I got it. Yes. All right, now we can get back to the repair. That's another common thing. Jewelers drop things all the time. So, we may or may not have dropped your diamond. We may or may not have dropped your ring. We may or may not have started your ring on fire. It's a part of the process. But a lot of people are surprised to see these things happen, and I get it. It's your heirloom piece of jewelry. It's something that carries a lot of sentimental value. We don't discount that at all. In fact, we take that into the utmost understanding when we are repairing your piece of jewelry. But you know what, guys? This is the process. And we're human too, so sometimes we drop things. Sometimes we have to crawl around and we find it to ensure that we take care of your piece. Now here I am retipping these prongs. They were very thin and needed some extra gold added to the top. So I'm taking my torch and melting a little bit of gold solder on the top of each one of these prongs to ensure that these diamonds won't fall out. This takes precision torch work. You have to be careful, and that's why you see me pulling the torch on and off, on and off, on and off, so I don't melt the whole prong. And then we're going to cut off the excess. So we're sawing the excess off of this piece of sizing stock, and then we're going to start doing what I always do in my videos, where we grind, sand, file, grind, sand, file, and eventually we'll end up polishing this ring. And in this whole process, your jewelry is going to go through some ugly points where there'll be excess solder and extra pieces on your ring. Maybe it'll even look a little black. Maybe it'll discolor slightly. Maybe a gem will fall out during the process. And that's all part of it. It happens from time to time. And sometimes an individual promised their long-lost aunt that they would never let a ring out of their sight. So they request to watch the process, and they better be prepared for what might take place. Now on this ring, I went and checked all the diamonds, and there's a couple little loose ones, so I mark them with my marker. And yes, that's a permanent marker. Don't worry, it'll come right off. But I wanted to mark which diamonds, and then I went ahead and tightened them. I didn't get that on video, but I tightened these diamonds up prior to polishing. One of the final steps, polishing the ring. It gets all kinds of goop and gunk on it when I'm polishing, so I put it in the ultrasonic cleaner so it comes out squeaky clean like brand new. And there it is, the finished ring, retipped prongs, and we sized it up. It looks like new again, and I'm sure the customer will be extremely happy to wear the ring they haven't been able to wear for a very long time. Thanks for watching.